Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to increase the downloading speed of Google Chrome as well as Edge. Now the key is, once you do that one single step, you need to restart the computer or at least restart the browser. So open Google Chrome and here type Chrome // Now I'll just maximize it. So once you have typed this, now the Edge user just need to replace Chrome to Edge. And once you do that, hit enter. And here we need to type parallel downloading. Now the moment you type it, you will find enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, OS, Android. So once you're here, select enable and then close the Chrome and restart the computer and then try to download and see the difference in your download. Now, if there is existing downloads is going on, that will not be increased. But from now onwards, the next download speed will be way faster than earlier. And guys, if that has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.